Okay guys, so as per the instructions with this Dewalt gun here, what they're saying is that you need to clean the filter out. And you can definitely tell I've got some sand on the one end of the gun. And actually this one looks pretty clean. So really, all we gotta do, use my trusty rivet puller, go like that. Okay, see, it is quite sandy. So obviously you want to clean all that out, make sure that it's not going into your gun and destroying any seals or propellers or whatever hell that they've got in there, right? Okay, so just gonna run this little nozzle. It's pretty clean. So just remember that, guys, just still a little bit of crud in there. I'm gonna clean that out a little bit better, put it back together, and yeah, write that down. Clean that probably, you know, anytime you see sand in it, make sure you put it back together again properly. And I would have thought this one would have gotten dirtier faster, being that it's coming through here first, but at least it's good that they have like dual filters there. All right, thanks guys.